Hi there, so this is Tariq and today I am again with a new video of average. Like we did in the previous videos, we did auto sum. In this video today we are going to do auto average and I'll help you with the shortcut keys as well. So let's take a look on this database we have on which we're going to work today. So in this video, these are the items we have and these are the number of sales these items were sold on that particular days. So we have to get the average of these horizontally and vertically. So how to do that? Let's get started. So friends, if you need the average data, we have a lot of way to do the average. We can do it manually like this, or we can, it's totally manual data. So we'll do this and we'll plus and go to the another one by this, and we'll keep adding everything and this. Now we have done this one. Okay, so after doing this we'll have to count how many days we have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So total we have 7 days. It is also showing the count of 7 days over here. So what we are going to do here is we are going to do, okay, what if I divide by 7? Will I get the correct answer? Actually no. Let me tell you how does it work. Look at that. Do you think it is the right answer? Actually no, this is not the right answer. What it did, 2 was divided by 7. So to do, if you want to divide the entire data, so you have to use the bracket over here. And now if you get this, you will get the exact average. And like this, like we already confirmed, we already learned about how to do that in the previous videos. So you just need to double click over here, you'll get all the answers. And if you are not satisfied with this data and it doesn't look fair, it doesn't look clean, so what you can do is you just can to utilize this option according to your requirement. You can use decimals or not. If you want to bring 2 decimals, so go ahead and you can get 2 decimals, and if you don't want any decimal, that's okay. So this wasn't something we were talking about today. This was the manual way of doing average. Now what I have to do is there is a feature in Excel, like we did AutoSum. There is another option called auto average. If you go to this feature, this is found in home menu. So all you need to do is to go to the auto sum option and click on this button. Once you click on this button, you will find the average option. So all you need to do is to click on this button, and once you click, it will show you the range automatically. It will select the entire range. It doesn't know what exactly that means, the I2 means, so it will also calculate this by default. So we can make the changes after that, or we can make the changes right now as well. So the moment I press enter, it also average this cell. Now I want to edit. So how do I edit in this one? I know that if I click on this one, if I double click on this one, I'll get the formula over here. What happens? So I know I is not the part of this one, so I remove I, and instead of I press H. So I have selected the right range. Okay, and there is another method you can use to go to the edit mode by pressing F2. Once you press F2, you can edit that. So like we did in the I2, we're going to do the same in J2 as well, and here we are on the right path. is bingo. If you want to check is it right or not, so let's see. This one equals to this. If it comes false, that means it's not correct, so everything is fine. Okay, so this was how it is done. Now let's get the shortcut also. So the shortcut of auto average is Alt HUA. Alt HUA. Alt HUA is the shortcut of it, so you can use that as well. And to get rid of this extra decimals, you can use this option, and this is how you can do AutoSum. So in the next video we are going to do a lot of good things, and till then keep watching our channel. Let's accelerate. Thank you very much.